Thai poached chicken salad. Ingredients: 700 grams skinless and boneless chicken breast, 1 cup coconut cream, 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 clove garlic, thinly sliced, stalks from small bunch of coriander. Salad: 1 telegraph cucumber, 2 carrots, peeled, 2 spring onions, thinly sliced, 1 long red chilli, thinly sliced, ½ cup coriander leaves, ½ cup roasted peanuts, roughly chopped. Preparation: cut each chicken breast lengthwise to create 2 to 3 thinner slices. Put all the remaining ingredients in a sauté pan and add the chicken. Gently bring to a bare simmer and cook gently for 10 minutes or until cooked, turning the chicken halfway through. Remove the chicken to a plate and strain the poaching liquid into a large bowl. Shred or thinly slice the chicken and return to the poaching liquid, then leave to cool. Refrigerate if making ahead. Salad: use a vegetable peeler to shave long strips off the cucumber and carrots, working your way around the cucumber and discarding the center with the seeds. Put the cucumber, carrot, spring onions and most of the chili, coriander and peanuts in a large bowl. Strain the chicken, reserving the poaching liquid, and add to the salad. Toss together and place on a platter. Scatter with the remaining chili, coriander and peanuts and serve the reserved sauce in a jug for drizzling over the salad. Serves for